Nation. Back with another video. The big tall himself with the Tiny and Tall Show.
Yeah, boy.
Let's go. But yeah, y'all, I'm back. I am back. And today's mission is adding this to Tiny's bike. So you can see. Y'all see the views. Where is it at? Actually, it's over here. We're gonna replace this bar with this bar. Got y'all on time lapse. So far I need a 12, 13, 12, 13, 7, 16, because that's the stock stuff right here. As you can see. Boop. This should be at 13. We get to it, you heard? Yeah, y'all see the vibes. Let's get some of these Harley views. I got us on the background out there. Let's cook. Big Harley Davidson, big Harley Davidson, big Stalker, big Mistress, big Sharkiesha. We just got done with the homie bike. We just washed it up. So if you ain't seen the last video, go back, stop, wait. Yeah, if y'all ain't seen that last video, go back and watch. I washed this bad boy up, she ready to go. Look at the little wheels, them bad boys are shining, cousin, you hear it? Let's work, man. Something slight. Yeah, but yeah, y'all come with me. I'm about to bust this steering linkage down. Look, man, Mistress stay looking perky, man. She a little dusty, but she still looking good, boy. But ask somebody about me. Y'all see big stalkers looking up like a wounded goose. But anyway, y'all. Oh, I forgot about this. I might do that today too. It might be in the video. Nah, I probably won't. This will be a quick 5-minute video, y'all. That's it and that's all. I'm gonna bust it down real quick and we're gonna work. Let's cook. All right, nation, she is off. So basically, this is how you basically just, you know, because this is adjustable. So you adjust this down, you move this around until you get down. And basically, once it's even with this, we gonna cook. You heard? Big slap. Lock it down. sure you put a little bit of Loctite on this bolt, that bolt, lock her down. Let's cook. All right, nation, just like that. She locked and loaded. She ready to roll. She is ready to roll. As y'all can see. Oh yeah, that look way better. Yes, sir. Quick little video. Some slide. Y'all follow the movement. TNT the Nation. Tiny and Tall Show out. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all later. Let's go.